Hello YouTubers, this is Mark Gibson for you, owner of Gibby Outdoors. How's it going? If you guys don't know what Gibby Outdoors is, it's an online sporting goods store that will ship anywhere in the United States. We will be making videos on reviewing products in my store, and we're also going to make videos on hunting, trips, and just get together and talk about hunting. You know, what we did when we were little and when we hunted together. How fun does that sound? Now, the first product review was Tannerite. Yeah, who does not love Tannerite? Because I know I love it. Now, if you guys don't know what it is, it's an ammonium nitrate. You pour aluminum powder in it, you shake it very well till all the ammonium nitrate is basically like a silverish blackish type. You put it on a stump, fence post, stand. Man, we blew up some weird stuff, so you will see later. But you can place it on anything. You step about, it recommends about 100 yards. We're about 50 yards with a quarter-pound Tannerite, but you can go all the way up more, or you can buy a big bulk and crate and do 5, 10, 20 pounds of all you want. It really doesn't matter. But Tannerite is pretty freaking awesome. You'll see in the video, we blew up harmonica playing skeleton, kind of weird. An AVNX decoy that I had laying around that's broke. We blew up 2 jugs of red water, and you will see in the video. But first, hit subscribe and the notification button so you will know when we post a new video, because we're going to try to post a video every week, sometimes twice a week. All depends on how our schedule is, because we do have jobs as well. So hope you guys like the video. Subscribe, hit the notifications to see more videos. Thank you. Peace out. Gibby out. This is Tannerite, quarter-pound. By the right, I'll blow his freaking head off. Let's Gibby Outdoors. Mark. There's Willie. And there's Nader.
Nader the Gator.
This is Achman's head. His eyes are gone. That's what I did to the jug. This is freaking awesome! It's like a little kid all over again. And his hat blew off. Alright guys, this is Nate's first time shooting the AR.
First time
he bought a $1,200 gun and never shot a gun before. Let's see how good he is. Come on, Nate. Look at that face.
I bought a $1,200 gun. I've never shot a rifle before. I did, yeah. Got me.
That's a good scope. Thank God for that scope.
Come on, Nate. Come on, Nate. Can you imagine what would have happened if that would have been like 2 pounds? Could you imagine if you missed? Here's the beer. Then you'd have wasted $1,200. I don't miss. Keep going. Huh? Keep going. We'll see how many I miss. How many did you get this year? Or last year? 0. I mean, I could have. Could have? Could have. Last year. Could have. Yeah. If you don't miss, you just don't shoot. Yeah. It was too small. I didn't want to take it. I understand. Still feels mean and freezer. How you gonna buy for your woman? I still got $2 in a dough. I've only been hunting for like 6 years. So. That's 50% chance. Ain't bad. I could have had one last year, but I didn't take it. If the zombie apocalypse happens, I'll be picky. If I gotta clean it and process it myself, I'm gonna be picky.
Let's go for 2 for 2.
Oh, you shooting?
Yeah. Oh, do you want to shoot?
He'll miss. Told you.
Go, your turn. Let's see what it does.
Miss.
Shove, Nate.
Miss. You guys,
Boom, baby!
did you shoot at the same time?
No.
Oh.
That's why they call me the good boom.
Well, it took you 2 shots.
Yep. Still about 75%. Better than your deer hunting.
That's a standing target. I don't have a problem hitting a standing target. Look at his gay ass running. We do not condone smoking weed. However, we don't discourage it.
I just killed Ockley.
Hold on. Put this on.
It fell. Well, shit. Damn. Let's go fix it. Nate, you gonna shoot next? Sure. Monotone voice. Must be in the Vandalia water.
Yeah.
So who was it? Destitin? Sorry, that was Willie's all girl Destitin butt cream.
Yeah, let's edit that one out.
Blooper.